Because now I say. Baada ya kuruka bagambe we are back live. They are coming. Wow. Hello, are you there? Hello, Mr. Kaziba, are you there? Hello. You can share. You can put it on. Hello. Wait. Yes, Mr. Kaziba, you can talk now. Hello.
Hello?
Yes,
Yes, we
first
can
we
hear you.
apologize. We had a network issue here. We've sorted it though.
Oh, sorry about that.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Kaziba. Do you have a concern?
Not really. I'm fine with everything.
Okay. 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 If there are no concerns, let's go on.
Yes, hello.
Yes, hello.
This is Adiga Sadiq.
This is?
Adiga Sadiq.
Yes, Adiga.
I wanted more clarification. Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
I needed some clarification on those apparatus that the learners will be given during examination time. Like for your notebook case, you may find that the apparatus might be limited, and as somewhere here it has been said that we should advise the learners to carry around the 6 results.
Your name is going to give you a confidential, okay? And in that confidential, it will be like how it has been, okay? They'll say 6 months. What we are giving now is a tool of assessment that if the learner has over 3, that is okay. But for us, we don't want our learners to have only 3, because the moment our learners have only 3, in case 2 of them are wrong, we shall be gone, okay? That is why we are asking that we give them more than what? That is why we are asking that we give them more than, we tell them we want 6, okay? To reduce the margin of failure. Yes, Jamil.
Well, thank you, sir. My question is about the tense used to be used. When you look at the frequency,
Mr. Jamil.
yes,
Mr.
sir.
Jamil, you have answered that question like twice or thrice.
Sorry?
I answered that question like twice or thrice. I said we didn't discuss that, but in May we shall discuss it.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Mr. Zaidi? Yes, Mr.
Hello.
Zaidi? Yes.
Yes. My concern was on the 3 points which UNEB was emphasizing to be plotted by learners. How about if we tell them to plot the 60 points, then when they are marking, then a learner fills around the 3 points. Are the remaining 3 points become okay?
Mr. Zaidi? What I said is the reason we want our learners to have 6 is the margin of what? Failure. And to make it real line of this class, feet. When you have feet, it's not as easy. Okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, please.
Next.
Yes, Mr. Cronin.
Yes.
Yes, well done, sir.
Thank you.
My concern goes to the graph, nature of the graph to be plotted. The other time we got information actually from you guys. I just need some more clarification about this. You said when the item setter is sitting.
The what?
The what? Item setter. Actually, make sure that what is setting brings a graph which is a straight line. The possibilities of having graphs which have curves.
Having curves instead of a straight line.
Instead of straight lines.
I don't know if it will have curves, but if it is there, that is why we call it a graph. Okay, and we treat it. That is why at some point I said treatment of the graph stroke slope, because some of them, even when it is a straight line, you're looking for an intercept. Yeah. So it's not. It's something.
Okay, thank you.
Then expect it can come. Yeah.
Then the other issue. Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
The other issue is about some of the scenarios which they said that we should not actually set, but then we have to do practicals with the students at school.
Like
scenarios involving glass blocks, prisms, and then verification of Ohm's law. Anything to say about that?
Okay, now what I have to say about it is anything don't solve the real problem in the society will not be set. It's not necessarily glass box, it's not about glass prism, but for as long as your scenario does not solve any societal problem, it can't be set. Okay. Because
thank you.
Like if you look at the Waukesha paper, the practical, it is really simple. But later when we went to UNEP, they told us, guys, acceleration due to gravity cannot, there is no way you're going to craft a scenario that is going to make it seem like it has a what? It is solving a societal problem. And I have tried many times, it has failed. The one of the glass block, a friend of mine tried to come up with it, and it seemed to work. Why? By saying, even the normal glasses we use, big ones of Windows, have a refractive index. Only difference is because it is thin, you don't really get that what. So she came up with something like that. So whatever you can write, and it is solving a societal problem, and it is within the confines of the curriculum, can be set. Not like the other where they were saying, go back, connect a house and BT that one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Okay. Guys, is that all? Hello, is that all?
Hello.
Yes.
Now, like this issue of this, yes, this issue of the scenario which you have said should solve a society problem. Should it apply also to the theory part or not practical?
Okay, it does apply to the theory part that the scenario should be almost real, not setting a rocket was moving at this speed. This it should make sense. It should make logical sense. In theory, say you can't say that a man of mass 400 kilograms, a car that was moving at 1,000 kilometers per hour. Someone yesterday said a question and said that a saucepan of mass 50 grams. It's not acceptable.
So it should the scenario provided it should be completely applicable in the field.
Yeah. Yes, another one?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
Yeah, there's something I'd forgotten.
Mm.
It is about the variables.
Mm.
May you give me some bit of clarification on which one is supposed to be actually placed on the vertical axis and which one goes on the horizontal of the independent and the dependent variables?
Now, the learner in his procedure will decide which one goes onto the vertical, because if he says plot a graph of this against this, how he treats it later is his issue. The way you have been teaching.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Next, guys, we have about 4 more minutes. We have about 4 more minutes and then we can close, because I don't think we are going to manufacture new questions. Yes, Richard, just speak. Unmute yourself and speak, Richard.
I thought, hello?
Yes, I can hear you live and clear.
Yes, I wanted you to also talk about the physics project.
Now, the projects that are going to be done are not just for physics. The projects, there is going to be one project for every student. So it's not per subject, it is a project covering everything. Yeah.
All right.
All right. Next.
Thank you so much, because I want to seek some clarification somewhere. You're saying that we have 4 minutes to close. Are you meaning closing the session, or we have other things to discuss?
The session.
Then, number 2, would you mind as the host? Because after getting the link to this meeting, you later invited us in the WhatsApp group. After this webinar, you leave that group existing such that we can try to set scenarios, then we share to our colleagues for critique. Just
Okay,
to get
your request is good. I'm going to give you 10 days. Why? I am also a teacher like you guys, and of course I get busy. So I'm going to give you 10 days. In those 10 days, yes, you can set and I'll critique, and that will be it. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay.
That will be so good for us.
Yes, hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Yes, I can hear.
Yes, we have tried to discuss about this issue of physics. Shall we have another on which we shall talk about math?
About what?
Mathematics.
Oh, okay.
Math.
I'm going to inform Nelson. I'm going to inform Nelson about that. Thank you. Okay.
Because we needed some guidance on the section, on the sections of math as well.
I'm going to inform Nelson.
Okay.
Also put it on the group.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then host Steve, our goal is to make sure that students pass at the end of the year.
Yeah.
It has done us so good that you have kept on organizing sessions for physics, but are you also organizing sessions for biology? Because at least for you people have access.
Okay, Nelson is going to.
For
Mr.
chemistry. Yes, sir.
Nelson is, I'm going to inform him. He's not here at the moment. He's teaching, but I'm going to inform him, and he'll be able to organize them. Eh?
Yeah, then I got a very tricky question from one of my parents concerning the practical books on market, because we have got some book, especially there is a book I got my copy from Mongati. Then a parent who is also a teacher somewhere else asked me that, how do you confirm that this item was set in this book side line with what we must teach? So I got stuck, but
now to start with, I participated in the finalizing of Mongati's book. Okay. However, I cannot answer for every one. So I may not be able to answer for everyone's book, but I participated in Mongati's what? In Mongati's book. Please and please. The parents should know that also when we look at the content, we can see and know that this is right. It makes sense.
Unfortunately, with this book, in setting items, Mongati went ahead and gave hints that you have this color.
Yeah, because now that book, when he was making it, he based on the other part when we were giving hints. Okay. Yes, it is not fortunate and it is not unfortunate. Where you have that hint, tell your learners that now, when you look at this formula, this one here should guide you on the kind of graph that you're supposed to draw. Yeah, but tell them that in the next I'm going to be given the hint. Period.
I get it.
Yeah.
It has been a wonderful lesson, and we hope that it should not stop. Whenever you get more new things, we can come on Zoom. Zoom makes it better for some of us who are very far from Kampala.
Okay.
But now, even that physical traveling has a risk to do with life. So, if you can organize more, we shall pay and be on.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, hello.
Thank you for this wonderful presentation, but also my concern is at the end of everything, we want all these learners to pass, not only Excel and only physics. So my request still remains that you
Mr. Zaidi, I think I said I am going to talk to Nelson and you will see that other subjects will also be organized. Guys, let's not repeat what we have said. I have
my concern is sharing these links of other subjects, even in the physics, so that we can share with the teachers who are not on other platforms. That was mainly my concern.
Okay. Okay, guys, I think this is all we had time for. Have a very nice weekend.
Hello, Mr. I have one question.
Okay.
Yeah, mine was, is it possible for us to organize the one for students, maybe also where they can attend and they get it from the right source, what they're supposed to do, particularly maybe?
Which district are you?
I'm in Koboko.
In what?
I'm in Koboko West Nile.
I'm going to link you up with a guy in Kaperebyong. I think he's closer. I have very many issues traveling. Yeah? But it is very possible. So you will send me a message. I am on that group where you all were put, such that we discuss.
Yes.
Eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you, Mr. Cheng.
Mr. Jamil.
Yes, Jamil.
I'm just having one suggestion.
Yes.
that in future, if possible, to and communicate to NCDC of just that center, you can organize and we get like a video presentation of the practical of this new curriculum. Right from the how the interprets the scenario, we see how it's doing it, then we share it also.
A video presentation of someone interpreting a scenario.
Of the practical.
Of the practical.
Yes, it's practical. Making the procedures, drawing the tables as he explains, and then draw the graph.
Okay, we will see about that. We'll see about that.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. I think that is all we have time for, guys. Have a very nice weekend. We have to go. It's been nice having you.
Then your contact is
My contact, I'm going to put it in the group. Kindly let's move to the WhatsApp group. I'll put the contact there for you.
But I've not received the invitation to the group.
You've not received the invitation to the group?
Yes.
Guys, I greet you all. Thank you for coming for this. Some people
you also share the questions, at least the scenario.
We're going to work on that. Now, the other issue is that whoever has been part of this, we're going to send you a video link such that can go through again. And you see, and then some people have joined after. In other words, we didn't have time to add to the groups. So we're going to be adding it to that group so that can continue sharing.
All right.
Whoever has joined after 9, actually from around 8. We didn't have time to add it to those different to that group actually. So we're going to be adding all of you to that group, and then we shall keep on interacting.
Okay, thank you.
Hello?
Don't forget questions to be posted.
No problem.
Then also my request goes that you can try to set a sample of senior 1 and senior 2 exam and you post for us in the group.
But you want someone to do for you all the work you're supposed to do as a teacher?
Not even.
Yeah? Because it looks like now you want to be done for everything. You said we go through, but let me tell you, we learn more from something that is not perfect. Okay? That if you participate in the developing of something, you end up learning more. So please put it on the group. We'll see a way of doing what? We'll see a way of improving it, or saying yes, this is good, this is good, this is good, and then we move on.
Okay.
Yes, hello?
Yes, hello?
You are talking with teacher Ocheng Simon Peter.
The what?
Ocheng Simon Peter.
Yes. Yes, Ocheng.
I have one of the concern. This one is also very important. I have been looking at the format of the report cards of various schools, and they are varying so much. So there are some schools which are putting this end of term to be maybe out of 20, then an end of term to be out of 80. And huh?
I can't hear what you are saying.
I'm saying we have situations where there's a lot of variations in the formats of report cards of various schools, and everyone is confused who is right and who is wrong.
Mr. Chen.
Yes.
This workshop is to help teachers improve their setting or the assessment of learners in physics. It is not for how teachers should come up with their report cards. The moment UNEB prints the first slips, okay?
Yes.
All schools are going to adjust their report cards, and they'll be in line with what UNEB has printed. So that one should not be a big issue. For me, my role as a teacher is have I taught the learners? Have they passed? That is my role. How the report appears when my learner has passed is not a big what? Is not a big deal. And should not be.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, okay, we are getting the last two and then I'll leave. Yes?
Hello?
Yes, Mr. Kasidia.
Yes, Mr. Cronin, I was backing up.
Mm.
I was backing up someone's suggestion who was saying, in case if it is possible, we would have actually gotten some other, we organize and get a conference where we also engage the learners. We
Okay,
just
Mr.
request.
Kasidia. Mr.
Yes, sir.
Kasidia.
I
The
get
biggest
you.
challenge is, I'll tell you, the schools that really have big halls also have big numbers. Are you getting what I'm saying? So if, let's say you went to Seta High, where they have a hall that can seat, let's say, the hall can seat 500, the hall can seat 1,000 students. You'll find themselves, they have 300. So it's going to be hard. It is easier if we organize these things, let's say in regions. Mr. Kasidia, where do you teach?
I'm in Matilda FS. That is Wakiso. No.
Where exactly?
Wakiso Matilda FS.
Okay. Now, there are about 4 schools in that area. Okay? So if you liaise with those people in the 4 schools, it also becomes easier, such that the students don't move a lot. They are met in one school. Okay? Like that becomes easy.
Okay. Okay.
But this that are visitors. The rest, the 300, will. So really, the best thing to do, I think, is let us organize with our colleagues.
Hello?
What? Let us organize with our colleagues.
Hello?
Okay?
Yes, sir. I've got you.
Yes, hello? Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir. Your contact is very important. Please post it for us on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, let me put it in the Q&A. I'm putting it in where Mr. Narugoda had put his question. In the chat. Where is the chat? Okay, it's here. I'm putting it in the chat. I'm putting it in the chat for you guys.
Yes.
Yeah. It is on WhatsApp. Also on mobile money. Don't be thinking it doesn't have money, it does. Let me also put my name. Wait a second. Okay, I have sent it, and that's my name. I'll also put it in the group for you to see.
Thank you.
Okay. Guys, is there anything else? I believe you should let me go. I have to go and also live a normal human life before I travel to Mbale today. Can we close the session? Okay, thank you.
You can close.
Okay.
Okay, next time.
For attending, we shall link up.
Okay, thank you for the service also.